Hey guys, so when you replace your antenna, always look how you bore it. If it's coming like this, you're gonna need that one, and this one usually stay over there on the top of the mirror. So you take it, I'm gonna use 13 and 14 just to tighten this. Then I'm gonna go upside. I'll show you how to do it over there. Okay, now you gotta play a little bit. You see the pin? So you put the antenna on the top, and then tight it, but don't over tight. Okay, and then you can use this one. So this is kind of prevent the water come through. And to scrubbing down there, that actually that is doing exactly this one, because the water anyway is gonna go, but if you just rubbing metal to that plastic, it's not gonna be looking good. So that's it.